Today we will show you what is included in the NEX Intermediate Maker Kit. We can introduce students to simple machine gears, levers, and pulleys through this kit. This kit accommodates up to 6 students working in groups of 2 to 3 with one challenge card at a time. Pay attention to the sequence of the challenge cards at the bottom left-hand corner. The challenges build upon one another. This maker kit is broken up into 2 sets, levers and pulleys and gears. Each set includes a variety of connectors, rods, and other items to create the objects listed in each guide. Here's an example of something created using this NEX kit. Upon returning materials, have students place all materials together in their appropriate container for each specific set. For additional projects and ideas, check out the resources listed under our Maker Kit website and reach out to your EdTech with any questions. Thank you.